bringing like so many things to eat you wouldn't believe. And then I found this Maryland Mellows. Hi everyone. So as you can see, I am away from London for a couple of days. I'm going kind of camping, glamping, because it's just a really pretty cabin here. And naturally when I go to new places, I naturally want to share it with you all as well. And I was just thinking like, okay, what can I do here that will be quite nice? I mean, it will fulfill kind of my dreams of like cooking in the woods. But I thought what I would do is to just show you all what foods I bring and what foods I cook when I go camping, and hopefully maybe we'll do something fun here as well. I'm still not sure if I'll do it, but I'm still deciding at the moment. But I did bring the stuff. So yeah, so breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So what I've brought here is a dry mix of oatmeal. You all know I'm quite lazy, so I do this at home as well, but I just mix together like oatmeal, flax seeds, chia seeds. Sometimes I put in black sesame, but today I'm going to just put in some beans, and I've started doing that fairly recently, just to add more fiber in the diet. Very interesting. Just going to cook that. I brought some soy milk as well, just to mix that with. Didn't remember the dates though, so it was like not sweet at all, but I brought some fruit, so that is breakfast. I think people know I'm always into a bit of oil-free cooking, especially inside the cabin. Like, it smelled so nice, but it was such a small space. So definitely any oil, any like frying was a definite no-no. You'd probably want to do it outside, but very easy to do. Just put some water or some stock in as opposed to oil. So much cleaner, and it's still very good. mean, it doesn't look like a lot, but I ended up bringing like so many things to eat. You wouldn't believe like how heavy the bag was. So it's really delicious, but that's how it looks. Okay, so for dessert, I was going to end the day with fruits, but I thought this might be fun too. I don't have graham crackers, but I have rich tea biscuits. And then I found this Maryland Mellows at the health food shop, so vegan marshmallows, and then just some chocolate. So I figure we could actually make s'mores outside because there's like a pit fire.